In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add GIF in Behance. Start by logging into your Behance account and opening the project where you want the animation to appear. You can create a new project if you are starting fresh or open an existing one if you are updating a portfolio piece. Once you are in the project editor, you'll see the content area where you can add images and other media. Think of this space as your canvas. You are simply going to place your GIF exactly where you want it in the flow of your story. To add the GIF, use the image icon in the content editor. Clicking it will open your computer's file picker, where you can select your GIF. If you prefer a faster route, you can also drag the GIF file directly from your desktop and drop it into the editor. After a short upload, the image block will appear in your project. Keep in mind that animated GIFs can be larger than static images, so it helps if the file is reasonably sized to ensure smooth playback and quicker loading for your viewers. Once the GIF is in place, click the pencil icon to adjust the image settings. Here, you can resize the GIF to better fit your layout. Align it so it sits comfortably with surrounding content and make refinements that improve readability. A good rule of thumb is to avoid stretching the GIF beyond its natural dimensions, as that can soften details or make motion look choppy. If your project includes multiple images, aim for consistent widths to keep the design clean and intentional. As you edit, think about the pacing of your page. Leave enough breathing room so the animation draws attention without overwhelming the rest of your work. When you are happy with the placement and size, use the preview option to see the project the way your audience will. This is the best place to confirm that the GIF actually animates, loops as expected, and plays smoothly. If something looks off, like the timing feeling too fast or the image appearing too large, return to the editor and make small adjustments. When everything looks right, click Publish. Your project goes live, and viewers will see your GIF animating in the published view. That's it. Thanks for watching.